exercise F, here you can see that this exercise you have to just division is given all by 10. Okay. Now why the division is given all by 10? There is one rules are there. I am going to tell you the rules, okay? And one sum I will also make you understand. Okay, everyone sit with opening page number 82, exercise F and exercise F. So here I am just sharing one picture. You need to write the green part first. I hope that you all can see. Just write today's date and everything and write the green part first. Green part first. Rule by division 10. Write the green part. Once see you complete. After that, I will make you understand why I have written the rule. First, all of you write the rules. Write one sum of 1C. Then only I will tell you why I have written this. If it is done, then only raise your hand. Okay, the rules and the 1C sum. I will make you understand why I have written this rule. Tanvir, are you done? Complete it fast, fast. Make it fast. Okay, so the rules that mean, suppose the normal division, I hope that you all understood. That's what we have done over here, where I'm just moving the cursor. Right now here, what I have written one rule that if ones place is some digit except 0, then the remainder should be the ones digit itself. That means what? Here you can see that if we are going to write the number, I am just showing it by blue pen. Okay, suppose again I'm writing, suppose I'm going to write 5, 6, 7, and the place are ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so in the ones place, what is the number? The number is actually 7. That means 7 we can just write, means and 7 is also here, we can we are see able to see able to see the able to see the able to see that 7 is actually somehow. Yes, hey Aratrika, don't do that. By mistake, it has happened. Aratrika, stop it, stop it. Don't touch your mouse. Don't touch your mouse. Otherwise, I by mistake, I have just done this, accepted this. Don't do that. So here you can just you will able to see that here I am just writing that, and 7 is our remainder. But if the number is 560, you will see the remainder is 0. That is why I have that is why I have written like that. If one's place is some digit except 0, then the remainder should be the one's digit itself. Mane, this is the remainder, and rest number is your quotient. Okay, so by easily looking at the sum, this is the mental math trick also. By easily looking at the sum, we will be able to see that we can solve this sum or not. Okay, I'm just stopping the share. I'm not writing by mouse, Saraswika, I'm not writing by mouse. Okay, by mouse you can't write that much properly. Okay, there is this is one pen, I hope you can see, all can see the pen tips is looks like that. Okay, by that I can touch my screen and just I can write. Okay. So okay, I know that you all are having the intention to write on my board. Okay, I will give one day everyone's chance to write on my board. Okay, no problem. So next year we will just going to the next year we will go to do some other sum. Suppose D and D E we will solve over here. D and E we will solve over here. 10 divided by 369. If this is your mental maths, what trick I have told, that ওয়ান digit যেটা আছে সেটাই হয়ে যাবে আমাদের রিমাইন্ডার, আর বাকি যেটা আছে সেটা হয়ে যাবে আমাদের কোশেন্ট। এটা কোশেন্ট আর এইটা রিমাইন্ডার। But since this is not the mental maths, we will just solve it nicely. Okay, so here 3 is 30, 69, 6 uh, 60. This is 9. So this is quotient and this is remainder. So here answer, if we will write like that, quotient equal to 36 and remainder equal to 9. Next is E also I will do. 10 divided by 835, that is by 8 while we are dividing 80. Answer is we should write like that. Quotient quotient equal to 83 and equal to 5. If it is completed, also GH and JK, I will try to do in the mental maths trick by using the mental maths trick. So here sum, quotient and remainder. Remainder spelling is not possible for me to write. Which sum I told you GH and JK. So G sum is given what? G sum is given like 10 divided by 15158. So 15 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder. Again, I am just memorizing one fact. How we are able to understand it? This is the ones digit. This is the one digit. This 8 is the one digit. Okay. So that is why 8 is the ones, tens, and hundred. So ones digit, if it is not zero, this will pay place on the remainder. But if other two digit is the quotient. Okay, this is the trick. So writing the next sum, h h h sum is what? 10 divided by 156. Again very easy. 15 and 6 is our remainder. Next sum is GHJ. J is what? 10 divided by 3, 9, 3, 9 and 5. So here 39 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder. And K here you can see that 10 divided by 10 divided by 87870. So here we can write like that 87 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder, because I told you if it is 0 there will be no remainder, and while we are writing 0 in the remainder, that means there is actually no remainder. I hope that this part you all have understood. Complete it. Complete it very fast. You complete it. After that exercise G we will start. 395 you should write very properly. There is some problem on my laptop. That's why the screen is not working properly over there. I am just lowering all of your hand and taking attendance. Please complete it. Don't raise your hand. Don't raise your hand. Stop using your name like don't just add means no need to decorate your name because your names are coming here and there. If it is completed, I'm just stopping the share. Exercise G we will start right now. Exercise G's first sum I have solved for you. Just very easy. Here you need to quotient and remainder, both the things you need to calculate. So read it that a company manufactured 1049 bulbs. These bulbs had to have to packed in cartons with 8 bulbs in each carton. How many cartons were there and how many bulbs are left? Okay, so here you can see that I have done the sum. You need to write the sum like that way only. You need to show the division. Okay, complete it very fast. If it is completed, please raise your hand. If it is completed, please raise your hand. Adrija and Prashmita only raised their hands. Aratrika also. Okay, thank you everyone. Just today's class time is almost over. So I want to end the class over here. Uh, please complete the sums and okay, I need to give you the also some homework. Your homework will be just please mark exercise F L O R. Exercise F L O R. Exercise F L O R. Page 82. All of you please mark it on your book. Exercise F L O R. Exercise F L O R. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay. So yes, I'm just